Okay, so hi guys, I am with the Choco Gamer, and
Hello,
we are gonna be
Governor.
playing some Cluster Truck.
Well, technically, you're gonna be playing.
Well, I am. Well, I'm on desert. I'm just
Ooh.
kidding.
That's cool. Whoa, a forest.
I'm on
Oh my
Run
god,
Forest.
all those trucks.
Yeah,
I've never seen this game before.
he's never seen this
god,
game.
they all just like aim in the same.
Oh,
So you have to jump from truck to truck?
yep. I really suck
Oh.
at Frogger. Okay,
Well, this is not Frogger.
it basically is. Oh.
I don't think you've ever played Frogger.
Yes, I have, but this is
Oh man, that was like a save.
That was fast. That was scary.
Have you ever played the original Mario?
Oh no, I don't think so.
Oh man, the
I've
NES.
played
and
Super
the old
Mario. I've played Super Mario 3 though. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna just like chillax on this truck. That was so bad.
things. What? Can you just chill in trucks though?
Yeah,
Do it. I want to see what happens. Please.
I'm gonna just chill on this truck. Okay, this does not look good. Oh!
Oh.
Okay, that did not happen.
That was beautiful. That was so close.
Oh no. Okay, I just got onto the back of that truck. So, just chillax here. And then it zooms up. I don't know why. Okay, that one was knocking me into the wall. That was not cool. They all gang up on one poor little truck. It's very sad.
Oh, I should do a
Oh,
hermit
I forgot
crab
about
update.
this. I forgot about it.
Oh my god,
I forgot.
what in the world just happened?
I forgot about this level. You you have to jump over this to all these other trucks. Yeah, this level is gonna take me like an episode to beat, so just enjoy the ride. You probably won't enjoy the ride, but still. I got the view already. I don't care.
Oh my god.
Dang it! I didn't turn fast enough. I legit forgot what this level was until like a few seconds ago.
You should do a Q&A sometime. Yeah. Oh my.
I got stuck. Ow. That was not good.
Oh my
No!
god.
Why did I jump?
Oh man, that was so close.
Oh! Skills!
You were so close to having them bills paid. You could have paid your bills with them skills.
Dang it! Okay, I really need like abilities, guys. Like, this is so bad.
It's so laggy on my end. I mean it is and it isn't. What?
That didn't work.
What even just happened?
I have no idea. But
Did you just like get stuck?
Speed is key. Okay, that wasn't good. Speed is key. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, never mind. Not for this beginning part.
Huh.
Oh, jump back to back to back to back to back. Tupac.
Oh man.
Nope, I overshot that so bad.
Just think, man, it would suck in real life.
But look at these hops, bro. Like, that is no way in real life. Hops. Hops. And then you can sprint really freaking fast. Hoo-yah! Oh, that was laggy. Boom. This is only $15 on Steam, by the way, guys.
Only $15. Did you buy it with that gift card you got?
Yep. No! This is bull. Oh, okay.
You know what we should do?
That was bad.
We should do Q&A.
No, I don't like Q&As.
Okay, or story times.
Story times are weird. I don't want to write a script for story time. Ah!
I didn't say write a script. We just tell a story.
You said something about a script. Ah!
What?
Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna be able to beat this game, guys. Oh! Do you see them skills? Never mind. Those are supposed to be had that day.
Huh.
That wasn't good. Why does it...
Man, you're still on the phone. Well, I looked down for a little. I had to check my phone for a second. Man, that could be really aggravating. Like, if I ever play that, is it hard to control?
It's, yes. Because you can't, you freaking fly everywhere. There's a bunch of trucks. Everything is flying. I'm running for my life.
Oh man, you slammed right into that truck.
Yeah, but that, I just hit the ground too hard.
You can do it. CTR, I believe in you. So close.
So close, but yet so far. Okay, that is not good. That is not good. That was curving. I got startled. Then I jumped. Oh, okay.
Should we wrap this up at 10 minutes?
Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm trying to wrap it up like per freaking level, but
but that level will never end. The power within. Oh man, I remember SpongeBob. In fact, that show, I still watch it. What? I don't know.
Oh my god! So
even my sister still watches it, and she's a lot older than me.
White boys got hops!
Oh, okay. Just stay on that truck. Did they stop? Oh god, what happened?
That's not good.
No! Oh no, you were so close!
I'm getting very aggravated.
Oh.
That didn't work.
Oh man.
Jump. Ow. No, why did I jump off the truck? It's very laggy. No! Oh no! I ran into the gate.
Oh yeah, sorry. I was thinking about what I should do, what my new video should be. Ooh.
We were trying to shoot a Minecraft video, but that didn't work.
Yeah, I don't know. My dad like reset my computer and he was doing work on it or crap on it. I have no idea. But then I booted up Minecraft and it was like sign into Xbox, and I'm like, why is that not right? And then I don't know, it was weird. Oh, I saw that you like slid right between them.
Yeah, that's the stupid thing about this game. That didn't work.
Wow. That's cool. Oh, that's so cool. so cool. That's so cool.
What? I need double jump. I can actually jump over everything. God.
Oh man, shoot. I mean CTR. I'm sorry, I said shh. I started to say it and then I stopped.
Alright. What in the world? It stops and then it goes again. This is stupid. It's because you're lagging. It's all because you.
No, don't blame this on me.
Dude, it's because you wanted to share the
This relationship is over.
Bull! Yes.
Oh, you're alive.
Wait until
Oh god. Oh man.
What?
Oh
Why?
man.
I jumped!
But you went forward. That was the issue.
Oh jeez. You got this, Caden. I believe in you.
You just said your name on screen.
I know. Sometimes I say it, sometimes I don't. Like I said it again in another cluster truck video. How do you not jump? You're freaking Michael Jordan.
No, I'm pretty sure you can jump higher than Michael Jordan. Wait, can you in this game? Yeah, probably.
I have no idea. I ran into the tire.
12 minutes already.
I know. Okay. Shut up.
Bye, my.
But for videos,
Barnacles!
be freaking 5 minutes. 'Cause
Sorry, I just saw a bunch of barnacles and
time on your
No.
video. You just freaking.
Yeah. Don't unleash your anger out on me because a bunch of trucks beat you up.
Game! This stupid game!
Aww.
Oh, okay, that was too far.
There's this little cute starfish and it's adorable.
There's a cute starfish?
Oh, another starfish.
No!
Aww.
Stop talking about starfishes.
Did you know there's a starfish called a brittle star? Or I don't know if it's like related to a starfish, but
You need to stop talking about other things while I'm trying to focus on this frickin' game. No. I'm slowly drifting off the madness. I got a feeling! I got a snack to do.
gosh. Oh my. This is pretty funny actually.
Oh my goodness. No, it's not. It sucks.
Oh yeah, that thing. Oops.
Freaking go. Come on.
Oh, crabs.
Cut off. Cut off. Big balls. I got this. Yes. Are you serious? Guys, you saw that, right? That was stupid. That one.
Oh, sorry. Oh god, I sneezed on my computer. I feel like you should wrap this up.
No, I have to finish this.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna cut most of this video anyway. Until I...
Eh. Oh god, I farted and it was so loud.
This can't be done.
Oh god, excuse me. Did you hear that?
I heard you burp. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm